That was silly. Not at all what you expect to come across when you're doing a demo. What do? Do I call the police?
And just like that, we are into it. If you are new to this channel, this is one of our first videos in our old house bathroom renovation series. So I'm trying to completely renovate my parents' bathroom. The bathroom you're seeing on the screen right now. Completely gut it, do it all up myself. But there's a catch. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. I'm doing this to try and prove to myself and anyone who cares and wants to watch that it's possible for someone with no skills, no idea what he's doing, to tackle projects that would usually be done by teams of professionals and tradesmen that do know what they're doing. If that sounds like your vibe, then make sure you smash that subscribe button so you can follow along to see if it's a massive success or a tremendous failure, because it's pretty much up in the air at the moment. Not sure how it's going to go. All we've seen so far is the beautiful bathroom that we're going to be renovating, and I know what you're thinking. Why on earth would you want to be ripping those lovely tiles off the wall? They look so great. Well, you're wrong. It's atrocious, and it's well and truly outdated and ready to go. So what we're doing today is the demo, pulling everything out and hopefully not breaking anything that I shouldn't. So let's get into it.
Oh, yeah. That was a lot of moldy water all over me. That was gross. Oh, it stinks. That was silly. I just broke some glass. Shouldn't have done that. Should not have done that. Got it out. So right now I'm faced with two options. Do I take the slow, sensible route, or do I just full send it? I'm gonna send it. Just want everyone to know my footing isn't great. Hacha! I'm having second thoughts. I'm going to leave it for now. Not 100% sure why there's leaves in the ceiling. Don't know if they're supposed to be there. That is rock solid. I'm gonna get a big boy. I'm just gonna use this thing to try and get this bathtub out. Alright? I don't really know what I thought would happen then, but I thought it would be more exciting than that. Yeah, didn't do much. First injury of the day. Not life-threatening, I think I'll be alright.
Glass out.
Alright, weird discovery under the bathtub. I'll give you a closer look. So that's a good amount of bones I can see. What do I do? Oh, what if they're human? What if it was a body? Oh my god, this is exciting. I don't really know what to do with these. I can't just bin it. I feel weird, I think. Like, what if 1 in a million chance someone got murdered, and that's their bones there. But what is weird is there's no meat around it. There's like nothing that's decayed next to it. I'm starting to think about this more. It's probably just was the plumber had lunch and was like, I'm gonna mess with someone in 50 years time. It'll really perplex him. And he has. I'm full perplexed. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them in a Ziploc bag, and you're gonna leave me a comment on what I should do with them, and I'll do that. Okay? Okay, cool.
You can rest assured I'm gonna give these tongs a good wash after this. This is gross.
Ooh, look at that. Bones in the bag. Ugh. Hey! So this little hole you can see on the screen is the reason why I'm in my nice clean white shirt and not in doing more work. So it's hard to pick up on camera, but inside there was some loose fill fibre, which is a good chance with where I am in Australia, it could be asbestos, which is not good for your lungs. Cancer vibes. So had to wrap up and get everything tested. Would have loved to get the whole demolition done on this video, but it's okay. I've had more time to think about the whole bones fiasco since it's happened, and I definitely think I was really just hyped up on the energy of breaking stuff all afternoon, and I was ready to go. I was ready to hunt down the murderer.
I will find you. And I will kill you.
But more time to think about it, I'm a bit more logical now. And I definitely just think it was the plumber from 50 years ago leaving his lunch. Not that exciting. But when it happened, geez, I was up and about. If you enjoyed this video at all, it would mean the world to me if you gave it a like. And please make sure you subscribe, because you don't want to miss out on any of these renovation excitements. You can leave a comment, and I think there's a bell thing you can hit to get notifications. That'll help you out. Make sure you smash that. And if you want to see any more of my exciting episodes, make sure you click on some of the links on the screen, because that's where they'll be. And I'll catch you again on Made by Bo. Me. Bye.